is the maiden flight of, what is this?
SU-35 flanker.
SU-35 flanker. It's a pretty windy day out here, so we're getting all gusty. Here she is. Be careful with those. Big gust of wind. Still blowing. Jordan?
He's trying to land. He's standing
To the truck. Uh-oh, one of his gears isn't down. In the back. Yep, back right. Uh-oh. Try putting them up and back down? Where'd you go? Oh. You tried putting it up and then back down? Come on. One more time. Gotta go ahead and bring her in. Come on. Down. Got it. Not too bad. gears wouldn't come down.
And it was windy as hell, and my gyro settings are too high.
What happened?
The gear was,
One of his gears wouldn't come down.
so I had to land on the skids.
Not good. That's not good.
Well, it actually did pretty good considering, I think. I don't think the owner did very good, no. Got a little bit of
Rashing there on that.
crashing there. Otherwise, I think it's pretty good.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
Jordan, flip this bottom switch right here. Up. Now, flip it down. Same switch.
For some reason it's jammed in there, huh?
Alright, flip it back up, son. Don't pick the control up, set it down. We're gonna leave them up. I'm gonna transport her home that way until I get home and look at it.